Let's learn how to use SA102 Pro. Click here to start the instrument. After clicking the screen, we can see 4 operation buttons. The first part is the experimental protocol. We can input experimental details here. We can set the number and names of the animals here. Then, they are respectively the start of the experiment and the results of the experiment. We click here to set the number of animals. We can customize and set the number of up to 8 animals. We can, according to the requirements of the experiment, set different experimental procedures for each animal. In the lower right corner, there are buttons for Add, Delete and Save Experiment. If we need to delete the experimental information, simply select it and click Delete. Add experiments is also done in this way. Furthermore, we can enter the names of animals here. The age, weight, gender, group, and other remarks of the animals. After the settings are completed, click Save. Click on the triangle icon to enter the main interface. Then, set up the experimental plan. Our instrument offers 2 rotation directions and 3 speed modes. The first mode is Uniform Acceleration mode. We can set the speed and acceleration time here. After the settings are completed, the instrument can reach the set speed within the specified time. Click on the Constant Speed mode. All we need to do is set the running speed of the instrument. The third one is the setting of section speed. We can set different running speeds within the experimental period. The first one is pre-acceleration during the experiment. We can set the speed first and allow animals to adapt in advance. Set the movement speed and acceleration time here. We can see that the relevant information has been added to the list on the left. Similarly, it is also possible to set different running speeds. Click Add and Save. We can set the rotation direction here. Click Start and Run to conduct the experiment. Currently, it is in the pre-acceleration state. Once the set value is reached, we can put in some animals. Click here to start the experiment. We can observe the real-time movement status here. If an animal falls, the instrument will display a green icon. When all the animals in all the channels have fallen down, the instrument will automatically stop. We can also continue the experiment here. Click on the top left corner to customize the experiment name. The system defaults to naming it according to the current experimental time. Furthermore, we can manually click on the screen to record the time when the animals fall down. The instrument supports a single-channel timing mode. We can separately record the activities of individual animals in each channel. Suitable for individual experiments, it can effectively reduce the movement errors of animals. Click Run, and when the pre-acceleration is completed, we can start the experiment. Then click Start, put in the animal, and click on the screen to record the time. Put the animals into the passage and click the corresponding button. The remaining operations are the same as in the normal mode. We can detect when the animal drops or stop it manually. Return to the main interface after the test is completed. Click here to view the experimental results. The upper left corner shows the memory space. Select the desired experimental result and export it. Click Export. We can also click here to export or delete all results. This is the operation of our SA102 Pro.